back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My channel is all about weight loss and my life, vlogging, food, all the things. And if you enjoy the type of content, I hope you will stay, check out my channel, check out some shorts, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, y'all. I just took down my hair. That's why it's so big and dirty. Also, side note, I'm having so Mael, the oil, if y'all do not know, she went viral because people say that the oil was making their hair fall out. I don't know if y'all remember this, but probably about a month ago, or maybe 2 or 3 vlogs ago, I told y'all that my hair was thinning. Like it just wasn't right. And I did not know why. My thing is I use a lot of oils. Like I'm back and forth with oils. Anyway, long story short, I found a half-used bottle of Mael oil. And I was like, oh my God, is this the reason why my hair was like thinning so bad? The good thing about me is that I am not consistent with one product. What I actually love is the oils in the beauty supply store. You can get your, your jojoba oil, coconut oil, whatever. I've been using those for years. And I tend to always go back to them. I'm just happy I didn't finish that bottle, and I'm happy that I'm not consistent, that I jump here with hair products. I've never really been, besides Shea Moisture, I love Shea Moisture, but outside of them, I'm not really consistent with a company. I jump around. So I'm loving that. And I feel like I've been doing braid downs, and I've been trying to just stop manipulating my hair. And I feel like the fullness is coming back slowly but surely, because sometimes when I'm in the light, I can see through my hair, and it was worse. It was worse than this. So jumping into what this video is about. Now, I will say this. I've been hesitant to do this video because it is a Black-owned business, and I really wanted to give them an opportunity to tell me what do they think could have caused this to happen to me, or, if they've had any other customers have this issue, or whatever. I've emailed them, and I've gotten nothing. Not a hi, bye, not a stop using it, maybe it just doesn't work for you. I got nothing. They did not even acknowledge me. And I told them in the email, my skin is literally peeling off, okay? My skin, I'm breaking out. Okay, let's talk about it. All right. So this was several months ago. I told y'all that I was going to do a short showing y'all and I put these in a vlog, but I told y'all I was going to do a short showing y'all the new supplements that I'm going to be using, because I'm going to use them, and I'm going to do another short telling y'all how good they work for me, whatever. So I purchased the Black Girl vitamins, right? So I actually purchased 5 of them. I purchased the vitamin D3, the probiotic, the prenatal, and the hair, skin, and nails. And I also purchased the flaxseed. Is it flaxseed? No, it's not flaxseed. I'll put it in video. Is it flaxseed? It might be flaxseed. So what I typically do is, to see how something works for me, I stop taking all other things and I just take these, right? So I never want to overdose myself too tough with too many vitamins. The one that I was taking at least 4 days a week, 4 to 5 days a week, was this one. So I don't know, if I'm not mistaken, from what I've read, vitamin D3 in particular helps with the absorption of nutrients. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. I could be getting my vitamins wrong. But yeah, so I was taking that one a lot. And then I would kind of go back and forth. So I would take maybe the vitamin D and then the flaxseed, and then a probiotic. And then like the next day I might take those same things, and then maybe 2 or 3 days later I might change it up and stop taking maybe the probiotic and maybe take the hair, nails. I was only taking about 2 to 3 vitamins a day, and I was kind of mixing it up. That's how I've always did my vitamins, my vitamin C. Oh yeah, I think I also got vitamin C with them, I think. That's how I take my vitamin C, my all my vitamins, you know, before I purchase these. That's how I take my vitamins that I get from CVS. Never had an issue, whatever. So I got this big black thingy, which I'm going to pull my dress up right now and show it to you. So this is right up under, all right. So this is right up under my bra. And this one here, right here, I have another one. And then I have one right, wait, where is it? It's not too far back, it's right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. So, and I have one right here. This is the smallest one. And I was so really nervous about this one. So let me basically tell y'all what happened. I had this big black one pop up on my skin, and then the one below it pop up on my skin around the same time. And I actually didn't know what it was, and they were really itchy. So the first 2 that I noticed pop up on my skin was under my breast and the one under it. The reason I noticed it is because they were itchy, but the one under my boob was the itchiest. So after thinking about it, I was like, okay, my sports bra, considering they were right there, I was like, okay, so my sports bra, maybe the detergent I'm using, maybe something like that is causing this issue. And I just thought, I didn't change anything, but I just started paying attention. And then all of a sudden, this one popped up, and then this one popped up. And I was like, oh my God, wait, but before these 2 popped up, this one was really, really itchy. Like I'm scratching y'all every day, to the point that y'all see the round black part, the skin just fell off. Like, not fall off like it was a scalp. It was just like it is now, but it was like a rough patch, like I guess like eczema. And I was scratching so much that the whole black circle part just peeled off, and you could just see my raw skin. So I don't remember the exact timeline of me finding these 2, but let's just move on. Let's just say a day or 2 later, I'm freaking out because I'm still itchy in these spots. Then I started doing this, and I looked at it, and I have another big black spot, right? And then one morning I woke up, maybe like a day or 2 later, and I have this on my shoulder. So I'm freaking out even more at this point. Like, what is going on? What is causing this? So for me, I know what I put in my body. I know all of that. So I go back to the fact that I changed my vitamins about a month or 2 before that. So literally, that is the only change, major change that I made. So what I did was I stopped taking vitamins altogether. Just all drugs. I just stopped taking them, okay? And within a week, this one has started fading, but the other ones, they're fading, but they're not. Like, they're not, right? So at this point, this has been, I want to say, okay, y'all. So I had to go onto my email to kind of get a timeline. I couldn't find my receipt, but I see that they start emailing me at the end of July. So I'm thinking that's when I purchased it. So I think I took it for a little bit over a month. So I've been healing. I guess that would mean I've been trying to heal for, what, a month and a half to 2 months, something like that. So that's kind of the timeline for that. So when I stopped taking them, the itching stopped within, I want to say, a couple of days. The rough patchiness went away completely. This one started fading. This one like stopped growing. Of course, it didn't grow anymore. It just stayed that size, and it started fading a bit. The ones on my stomach, they have faded, but it's when I tell you they're not going away, it's like they're permanently there. Even though they fade a little bit, they're just permanently there. I don't know what's up with that. But again, the patchiness and the itching completely went away. And they started fading. So I know that this is the reason why. I know that these vitamins are the reason why. I don't know if it's just one vitamin. I don't know if it's a combination. I don't know what's what. Again, they never responded to me to give me any ideas as to what they thought it was. But it is what it is. I'm not going to take something that gives me eczema or, you know, makes me break out in hives or whatever, you know, whatever. So I just wanted to put this out there. It's very, very unfortunate because y'all know me. I'm going to support. But yeah, we just have to be careful sometime, and everything does not work out. You know what I'm saying? Some of you guys probably take these and have no problems, and I love that for you. I love that for you, and I wanted it for me because one thing, when I first started taking these, one thing that really drew me to the company and drew me to the vitamins, like their ad said something along the lines of how us, you know, as Black women, our bodies different. We need different things, and the company targeted that. You know, they built their vitamins on, you know, the health of Black women. And I love that. And I wanted to support that. And it's unfortunate that it did not work out for me. And it's even more unfortunate that they did not even respond to me at all. But it is what it is. So I would love to know, have y'all took these? What have your reaction been? Yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Yeah, so I would love to know. And also, y'all, my phone went dead at one point and I had to like put it on a charger. And I was like, girl, having that braid down for that long. I did wash my hair, you know, you can, whatever. Having that braid down so long then gave you some edges, baby, because you done broke off all your little headline on this side of your hair. Not as much on this one, but baby, you done broke off your whole little hairline. Having them, yeah, we can't catch a break with this hair. It's just so beautiful, but it's so damn fragile. It don't make no sense. Man. So anyway, let me go get a life. I love y'all so, so very much. Again, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. And I will see you.
They want to ride right here, man.